Hello, magandang araw and welcome. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so August 1 today, kakapasok lang ng bagong buwan, kaya naman gagawa tayo ng love reading for the month of August. And this reading is for all fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, tignan natin kung ano yung masasagot kong energy from the collective. And since this is a collective reading, it may or may not resonate with everyone. Okay, take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Best to book a personal private reading. Nasa description box lang naman yung email address ko. Ayan. Okay, so first time ko itong gagawin. This is what I call the aguhon spread. Ginagawa ko to sa aking mga pop-up readings. Aguhon is the Tagalog for compass. So, for this love reading, bubunot ako ng cards for the south, okay, direction, and then west, then east, and then north. Okay, explain ko mamaya ano yung mga directions na yun. Okay? Sa reading na ito. Okay, so first time ko rin gagawin to sa aking channel na tatlong tarot decks ang gagamitin ko. Okay, so bubunot ako ng trio. Okay, for each direction. Okay? Ayan. And gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng fire signs na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. Sobrang appreciated ang inyong love and support sa channel. Sana patuloy niyo pong supportahan by liking this video and commenting below, lalo na kung nag-resonate ang reading after nyo mapanood hanggang dulo. It really helps the channel grow. At kung bago kayo sa aking channel at nagko-connect kayo sa akin at sa mga readings ko, subscribe na po para mag-grow pa yung channel ko at marami pa akong magawang love readings like this para sa inyo. Okay. Sige, sisimulan natin yung reading sa oracle cards. So, bubunot ako ng dalawang oracle cards. That would be the overall energy of this spread. Okay. So, I'll just cut it first. At dahil August na ngayon, I'll get the 8th card. Okay. First card. Persistence. Ooh. Okay. Second card. Joy. Nice. So, for all fire signs, kita pa rin naman sa video na. Ayan, sud ko lang. Ayan. So, persistence and joy ang overall energy ng spread na to, which is good, eh? I can see here na ito yung mga fire signs, okay, na nasa sitwasyon kung saan talagang persistent kayo finding joy in this relationship. Okay, not necessarily na walang joy, pero I think ang energy is more on there's already joy in the relationship. Masaya kayo, okay, and talagang persistent pa kayo sa pag-continue nitong joy and happiness sa relationship. Alam niyo yun, yung nakikita ko dito that both of you are supporting each other. Talagang you're working together para hindi mawala yung saya sa relasyon. Okay, it's actually a good energy. Okay, and tingnan natin bakit ito yung overall energy, bakit persistence and joy. Alamin natin yung detalye, okay, using these tarot decks. Okay, so yung first trio is the south, okay? South direction of the compass, okay? So, yung south is the energy of where you're coming from. So, bali ito yung parang root cause yung current feelings, bakit very persistent kayo sa pag continue, or for some, maybe for some, finding joy in the relationship. Okay? Pero for most of you, the energy that I get is masaya na kayo, and parang pinagpupursigin nyo pa na mag-continue itong saya. Hindi siya matapos, parang ganun. Or hindi siya mag-pause, diba? Not necessarily mag-stop, but ayaw nyo siya mag-pause. Alam mo yun. And kung may mga issues, concerns, okay, tinatry nyo i-resolve agad dahil ayaw nyo ngang maging sad or maging unhappy, okay, yung relationship. So, it's really a good energy, full of joy itong relationship this August. So, punong-puno ng saya, ng ngiti ang inyong relasyon with your person. Sige, so okay. So, first card for the south. Okay, Nine of Wands. Okay. It's good. It's a card of resilience. Okay. Oops. Sorry, maliit yung mesa ko. Kaya, sana mag-grow na yung channel ko para magkaroon na ako ng mas malaking mesa. Okay. Nice! 4 of Wands. O, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, maganda tong reading na to. And lastly, Eight of Swords. Okay. Yeah. Sige, so again, where you're coming from. Okay. First, with the Nine of Wands energy here, it's really a card of resilience. Pag may mga bagay talaga kayo na hindi napapagkasunduan, yung again, this is aguhon, di ba? Yung compass nyo talagang bumabalik siya dun sa hindi kailangan masaya tayo sa relasyon natin. Okay, so kung may mga nagsishift yung north arrow ninyo sa ibang lugar, bumabalik siya. Pumupoint siya ulit sa north. O, di ba? Pag ganun. Okay, so, and yung parang north arrow ninyo, even if this is the south reading, pumupoint siya dun sa joy. And gusto nyo talaga na dapat hindi magtagal kung may mga issues or arguments, kailangan maayos siya kasi kailangan bumalik tayo sa state of happiness sa relationship. And kaya you're supporting each other and you're very persistent nga sa pag-ayos kung ano man yung mga relationship. This coming month, pwede may mga sumulpot na minor lang naman, minor issues sa relationship, pero mariresolve niyo ito agad. Especially from Nine of Wands, yeah, there's Four of Wands, and Four of Wands is really it's one of the lucky cards here in tarot, and it's a card of milestone, okay, celebration, and ano yun, so for some of you, nagle-level up na yung relationship, diba? Dahil nga, alam nyo na, okay, kaya natin laging maging masaya sa relasyon. So, alam niyo na kahit mag-move kayo sa next level ng relationship ninyo, magiging masaya pa rin kayo. May mga challenges, pero malalampasan niyo siya. And I think for some of you, or for most of you, this month, magle-level up yung relationship. Okay? Like, for example, kung dating kayo, pwedeng mag-level up to a committed relationship. If committed relationship na, it's going to level up into something long-term. Pwedeng engagement, pwedeng marriage. Okay? And if nasa long-term relationship na kayo or married couple kayo, pwedeng, another milestone, maybe having a family, diba? So, it's really good. And those milestones are actually giving you happiness and joy, diba? Each individuals, diba? And as a couple as well. Alright? However, with the health, sorry. I was about to say kasi na helplessness. Nabulol lang. Okay, with the 8 of Swords lang showing up here, okay, careful lang kasi may tendency lang kayo na mas stuck lang dun sa mga issues. Okay? So, kailangan talaga na kaya yung persistence nandito Kasi minsan, may mga, lalo na this month, possible na may issues kayo na medyo mas stuck ng konti yung energy. Meaning, pwedeng hindi siya agad-agad mare-resolve. Okay? And because of that, pwedeng maging cause yun ng delay ng milestone na supposed to be dapat mangyari sa relationship. Pero again, you have to be persistent to work on whatever issues na darating this month. Okay? Hindi nyo siya dapat hayaan na magstay nga dun sa stuck energy. So, kailangan nyo siya i-resolve agad kasi the sooner you resolve the issue, the sooner din nababalik siya again to the state of happiness and joy sa relationship. Alright? So, that's the south energy. Okay, now we proceed dun naman sa west energy or the energy that is behind you or what's behind you. So, ito yung mga experiences or mga habits, mindsets, or energy in general na kailangan mo nang i-let go dahil it's not serving you anymore. Or i-let go ninyo as a couple. Okay? So, isod lang natin to give space for the West Trio. Okay. So, first card, Strength. Nice. Second card, Eight pala. Tika na. Queen of Wands. Okay. And King of Swords. Okay. So, energy that you have to let go of. Actually, kung titingnan nyo, di ba, parang, positive kasi strength. Pero, bakit siya yung kailangan i-let go of? Okay? Kasi, minsan, may, I think, the strength now that na naka-attach siya with the Queen of Wands and the King of Swords. Okay? I think, yung energy na reverse nitong energy ng strength, Queen of Wands and King of Swords, yun yung energy na meron sa relationship na kailangan nyo nang i-let go of, which is immaturity. Okay? King of Swords kasi King of Swords is an energy of maturity. Okay? Being rational and direct. Okay? And yun nga, kung may mga issues ngayon na paparating this month, you have to really be more mature. I think yun yung kulang, okay, sa relationship. Kaya kailangan nyo i-let go yung energy of lacking, di ba? Meron kasing lacking sa relationship at the moment. Kaya minsan parang you're working too hard than necessary to go back to the state of joy kasi something's lacking sa connection ninyo. And I can see here that first, yung confidence nyo sa isa't isa, that's the strength card energy. Medyo, and the courage as well. I think either you or your person, medyo parang hirap makipag-communicate, for example. Okay, especially King of Swords is also, is a suit of communication. Okay, or thoughts, ideas. Then Queen of Wands or Wands, yung suit niya is about desires. Okay, so may mga desires, may mga gusto kayo sa relationship, either you or your person. Okay, may mga gusto sa relationship pero hirap. Okay, hirap i-relay or i-communicate properly. So, medyo lacking yung sense of maturity sa mga bagay-bagay and parang hindi nga ganun ka-confident. Happy kayo, yes, pero may lacking lang. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na wala siya sa relationship. May mga lang na kapag dumating yung issue, medyo parang hindi ganun ka-confident ang isa sa inyo to talk about it. Okay? Parang kailangan pa na talagang alam mo yun, yung i-persuade yung tao na, just talk, it's fine. Ganun. Okay, so, here with the Queen of Wands, yung masaya kayo, pero parang may, kapag may issue na dumadating, medyo, nagkukulang lang sa, self-assurance nga, yung confidence ka na, hindi, sige, okay lang talaga maging honest, maging all out at i-discuss yung situation, which is true naman, okay lang naman talaga, pero yun nga, may tendency lang yung isa sa inyo or pwedeng both then na magkaroon ng hesitation, kaya na-delay minsan yung pagbalik dun sa happiness ng relationship or medyo parang nagkakaroon ng mas nag-e-effort pa talaga kayo to be kaya yung siguro itong persistence is parang mas yung energy niya is nag-e-effort pa kayo, which is hindi naman dapat mag-effort ng todo kasi nga alam niyo naman sa sarili niyo na everything will work out basta talaga mapag-usapan siya. Okay, again yung 8 of Swords energy or yung energy na stuck. Okay? And I think ito yung nagko-cause ng stuck energy kapag may issues or challenges na dumadating sa relationship. So, time to let it go. Yan yung energy na it's not serving both of you anymore. Okay? Ayan. So, now let's proceed sa West energy. Okay? Sige. Ayan. Right, so si East na. West ito. Southwest. So si East direction is what lies ahead. So, ano yung mga opportunities or challenges na pwedeng yung kaharapin this month of August. So, first card, 10 of Cups. Okay. So, second card. Six of Wands. Okay. Yeah, this is an opportunity. You can see already that this is an opportunity. And last one, Two of Wands. See? Correct. Okay. So, the opportunity is, again, 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups, parang similar energy siya ni Lover's card, the Lover's card. Okay? So, 10 of Cups, Ten of Wands ba yun? Nasabi ko, Ten of Cups siya. Okay, Ten of Cups is similar siya sa energy ni the lovers. So, it's full of love, energy, emotional stability, okay, and yun union ninyo, and even like a long-term relationship. As you can see here, parang may family, and everyone happy, celebrating. And that's the, this month, there's really, kasi kung nakita nyo dito, may anchored siya dun sa Four of Wands, may Four of Wands energy. And here, with the Ten of Cups, talagang there's an opportunity for you to even have this long-term happy relationship. Okay? And again, ang kailangan nyo lang gawin, Six of Wands, again, there's an opportunity for this to happen, but there's this Six of Wands energy here. And for that to happen, okay, kasi Six of Wands is a card of victory. Okay? But victory na related sa teamwork. Okay, that you really have to support each other. And by supporting each other, again, itong sinasabi ko ng mga energy, whatever's lacking sa relationship, i-let go nyo na yung energy na yon and grow. Kung lacking siya, so dapat madagdagan siya or maging buo siya, di ba? So, the strength, yung courage, the energy of proper communication, honesty, stability, okay? And yung deep connection na meron kayo, dapat maging buo siya. Hindi siya dapat lacking. And this energy, there's really an opportunity for this relationship to be even better. Okay? Diba? Pagkasabi ko ng better, parang, okay? Even better talaga. So, and again, Two of Wands. Two of Wands is about making the right choice. Nasa decision nyo talaga yan. Okay? Kung ang decision ninyo is hayaan na lang muna na ganito yung state na okay, happy naman kayo, di ba? But here, persistence eh. So, that's why the overall energy persistence is dapat itong energy, negative energy na kailangan yung let go. You have to also be persistent na mawala siya para ma-sustain yung happiness and joy. And again, there's a decision, not just you, but also your person. And as a couple, may mga decision kayo na kailangan gawin para maging victorious or successful yung relationship and this goal of a long-term happy relationship. O, diba? Ganda naman ang reading ninyo. So, now, last but not the least, okay? So, yung North energy is, what's the next move? Ano yung next move mo? What's the best actionable step forward? Okay? Sorry naman. Okay? So, yeah. Alam natin yung next move or this month, yung best action or path forward. Okay? So, first card. Oh, Two of Cups. Ganda. See? Eight of Pentacles. And lastly, nice. Queen of Cups. Oh, very good. Okay, napakaganda. Okay, well, actually, yung best action forward, okay, with the Two of Cups here, talagang yung joy dapat nakakabit din siya. Kasi sa love, mahal niyo yung isa't isa. Yung Two of Cups is a card of happy relationship din. Yung happy, yung connection, very stable, very talagang yung connection nyo is nakakabit siya sa love. Okay? So, best action forward is to really, again, remove this negative energy. Okay? And make the connection even better, stronger. deeper connection is attainable naman talaga, and aim for that. Okay? And with the Eight of Pentacles, dapat dedicated din talaga kayo to achieve this goal. Okay? With the Eight of Pentacles, it's a card of commitment, dedication, and effort. So you really have to put a lot of effort for you to achieve this milestone. Ito, mga milestones na to. And you have to put more effort para maalis yung lacking sa relationship. Okay? Or ma-resolve. Hindi ko naman sabihin maalis. Parang ma-resolve or ma-solutionan whatever's lacking sa relationship. And Queen of Cups again. Queen of Cups is also an energy of love. And it's a nurturing energy, emotional maturity, and devotion. So, tingnan mo, dedication, devotion, connection. So, talagang mag-focus kayo dun sa mga positive things that parang upuan ninyo, ano ba yung nagpapasaya sa inyo? Diba? Isipin nyo yun. And lagi nyong i-point doon din yung mga kapag re-resolve din kayo ng mga issues, or pag goal ninyo is ma-achieve yung next milestone ng relationship or mga relationship goals ninyo, di ba? So best action moving forward, lalo na this month, it's call for yun, parang persistence on making more, parang mag-effort pa kayo. Okay? Mag-effort pa kayo, mas maging devoted kayo, mas maging dedicated kayo sa relationship, sa connection. And kasi pag the more dedicated and devoted kayo and committed talaga kayo sa gagawin nyo rin talaga yung lahat para ma-resolve yung mga issues and para mas ma-improve pa yung mga bagay na lacking sa relationship. Ayan, ang saya. Good job, fire signs. I'm really happy for this yung spread na to. I'm happy sa kinalabasan ng reading. Very positive siya. So, claim nyo na tong energy, and if this resonated, kung nasa sitwasyon kayo na ito, ay sana nabigyan ko kayo ng insight and guidance sa inyong situation, di ba? And before I end, itong reading na to as well ay para sa lahat ng fire signs that maybe yung person ninyo ay either, okay, take note, Leo, okay, and basically, yeah, parang yun lang naman yung major arcana ninyo, si Strength card. So, it has the energy of Leo. So, doesn't have to, okay, yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. So, pero check nyo rin yung kanilang Moon, Venus, and Rising placements. Okay, so baka Leo din sila sa placements na iyon. Okay, again, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Always use my reading with discernment. Nasa inyong kamay pa rin ang inyong kapalaran. We all have free will, and you should use it wisely. Okay? Kita-kits na lang muli sa susunod ko pang love reading. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. Kita-kits. Ingat!